Studying used to drain me. This AI literally cut my study time in half. I'll prove it. I used to dread study sessions. 6 hours reading, highlighting, making flashcards. I always felt behind, and honestly, it was exhausting and kind of miserable. But then, I found this AI tool. You just upload your study material and it creates notes, flashcards, and practice tests. All that painful prep? Done automatically. Here's what I do now. Upload a chapter PDF. Click Generate. Wait 3 minutes. And boom, complete study guide appears, totally organized. My favorite part? It highlights the most important concepts for me, generates quiz questions straight from the material, and even explains tough topics in simpler words. I tested this for 2 weeks. Organic chemistry, stats, biology. Every single time, I cut my study time in half. Seriously. Now look, you still have to actually study. This isn't magic, but honestly, it kills the boring prep work, so I get more time for actual learning. The free version lets you process 150 pages every month. That's like 5 textbook chapters, totally free. If you want more, Premium unlocks unlimited pages and advanced features. Links below. Try it on just 1 chapter. And tell me in the comments, what subject are you studying right now?